Hello you YouTubers. We're gonna do an unboxing video here with some badass lifters for a big block Chevy. These are BAM lifters, 842 diameter, DLC bushed lifters for a dirt block, big block Chevy dirt block, tall, 300,000 taller. So we're gonna open these up, check them out. These are supposed to be one of the best, so we will see. You guys can look at them for the first time like me. I don't see a lot of videos on YouTube about these lifters. Everybody talks about them, that they're great, but I never really see any videos on them, so that's why I'm doing this. I got these through Vincent Performance. You can't see through this, but yeah, Vincent Performance. Shipping was fast. I mean, literally 3 days. Couldn't ask for any better there. That's what the box looks like. 2005 16 BB1 Pro Plus 842 300 tall. The BB1 stands for steel DLC bushed. So there's no bronze bushings in these. You can get them in a BB4, which is a bronze bushing. The BB1 denotes a steel bushed roller. So that's the difference on them. I chose to go with these ones because I just didn't want to deal with needle bearings anymore. And bronze, I thought about bronze, but I figured why not just go all the way to the top, all the way to the top and get the best of the best right off the bat. So here they are. So yeah, look at all that goodness. Very nice. Apparently these need to be soaked in oil before you use them. Some lifters come packaged in oil. You don't have to pre-soak them, but I do recall these need to be soaked in oil. But that's what they look like. Pretty fancy stuff. Hopefully they last a long time. That's that. BAM. Get you some. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.